Alright, what's up guys? I'm back with the update video here. This will probably be the final video on this unless I do a video when the winter comes to pick it up. We're going to paint it. Swapped plugs in it last night and it runs a lot better now. So I'll set you guys up on time lapse when I go to paint it. Alright guys, got the car painted. Used some house paint. We had a gallon jug of it and it doesn't like to spray out of the gun, so that's my amazing technique. But car's black, painted the rims, core support and all this stuff. It's ready to be raffled off and for the new owner to wreck it, so that'll probably be it for today's video. So please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see more of. Thanks.